Okay, I think we're recording. So I want to introduce your journals to you today. In materials on Thursday, you guys received a composition notebook. This is going to be your journal. Okay, so some days we'll have journal prompts where you get to reflect about a question or prompt that we ask you. Okay, this is going to come back to school, and we will see, teachers will be able to read your journals. So just so you know that these are not completely private for yourself, these are going to be shared with your teacher, okay, with me or Miss B. The front page, we will eventually be designing a really cool front page for this, but for now, I want you guys to open up to the very first page, and on there, I want you to write your name somehow. You can use markers, you can decorate it, you can make your name super fancy, or you can just write your name really plain. However you want to do it. This is your journal, okay? And then you're going to just turn one page over, and this is the important part about using your journal, you guys. We're going to use it like a book, okay? So you open it like a book. We're not going to open it from the back side first. We're not going to just flip to any page we want and start writing. We're going to be really thoughtful about how we use it so that we keep it super organized and so that we don't waste paper on it, because this is going to ideally last us the whole year and we want to make sure we have enough space. Okay, so then you are going to, on the first page, and I hope you guys can see this, sometimes it's hard. I wrote in pencil too. You're going to write the code date up on top. So today is September 28th, 2020. And so you can write the code date just like mine, 9/28/20. And then you do not have to write the prompt, but this helps me stay organized when I am writing in a journal. I like to write the question that I'm answering. So if you're a second grader, you're going to write the question. If you're a kindergartner or a first grader, you have the option. You do not have to, but it would be great if you did. Why are friends important? That is today's prompt. So why are friends important? You can just get started and start writing and doing your best, staying on those lines as best you can, making sure your letters stay in between those two blue lines and that you stay nice and even going across your pages. I want to remind you to try to use finger spaces, or if you're in green group, you received a little spaceman and you can use that to help you space your words out. Remember capitals and periods. Just do your best work, okay? That's all we ask, is that you do your best. Why are friends important? What do friends help you with? What do you as a friend help with? Why is it nice to have friends? You have an idea, Knox? Playing? It's a lot more fun to have friends to play with than by yourself, don't you think? Yeah. Okay, so Knox said playing, so he might write the word play. What does it start with? P. So he would write the P and then L. P-L. Play. A, P-L-A, and then there's a Y at the end. Okay, so he might write some words and draw some pictures on here, right? Because he's a preschooler, so he would definitely draw some pictures and try to label his pictures, okay? But if you're in first grade, you might write some words and some pictures. If you're in second grade, you would definitely write some sentences and some pictures too, okay? All right, guys, have fun.